Hello everyone, I want to show you a few more examples or variations on expanding brackets. So this is exactly the same as previous examples that I showed you, just two questions in one together in a way. So I'm going to try to start writing things down as I am talking, and hopefully you'll be able to follow it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. So here, we're going to treat this as, let's forget from this part. I'm going to try to make sure that I actually split these two questions into this one question into two. So now the first bit, I'm going to try to sort this out, is 3, and in brackets you got 4x plus 1. So I'm going to try to sort this part out first. I'm going to draw my arrows. So these arrows obviously imply that 3 times 4x is 3 times 4 is 12. Therefore, you got 12x. And then I'm going to have to keep the plus sign over here. And 3 times 1 will give you 3. And I am done with this part of this expression. And I'm going to try to do this different, but with using different color pen. Now, you've got this negative sign in front of the number outside the bracket, so you're going to have to be careful about that. And so I'm going to just, instead of doing 2 times x and using the negative sign in front, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just use minus 2 as one of the things that I'm going to be multiplying. So now here, minus 2 times x would be, let me draw my arrows first. Right, minus 2 times x is minus 2x over here. And minus 2 times minus 1, remember negative numbers, it will give you positive 2. So now, this bit, you will get 1 mark for this in the exam. For expanding brackets using the same skill. And for the next bit, you have to collect the like terms. So I'm going to try to use a different color pen. I'm going to circle my axis. And then I'm going to draw a box around my numbers. The reason I'm doing is so that you can collect the like terms, which ones are the same and which ones are not. So I've got 12x minus 2x, which will give me 10x. And in my boxes, I've got 3 plus 2, which will give me 5. That will give me my final mark in the exam. Right, hope you find this easy. This is just 2 questions in one, basically. You've done all of these separately, but it just combined together. Try the worksheet and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.